I have to ask you I know it's 18 months out, almost 18 months out from the World Cup, but if you have to rank your favorites now for the World Cup, what would be the teams be? Maybe not. Well, put it in order, 1 to 5.
I will answer it in this way. I think the teams that I think will always be in the last six, the quarters and the semis. Obviously, the Springboks will be there. The All Blacks will be there. I think Ireland will be there. We can be there. England can be there, and Argentina. I think that is a top 6 teams that I think is very dangerous. The Springboks, All Blacks, Argentina, Ireland, England, France. And I think in a way, Jan, I don't think we can throw away Australia. Although they're not shooting out the lights at the moment with the rugby, we must remember they're playing in Australia and maybe they can be better, getting a better coach on board. So that for me is the 6, 7 teams that I think can be in the last 4 going into the playoffs and the semis.
Flokkie, you mentioned Ireland, and we know Ireland's track record at the World Cup. So my question is this: can Ireland get past the quarterfinals?
Yeah, you see, again, it's like the Protea cricket team with that certain word that we don't want to mention. And yes, I know Ireland's a good team, but again, they have that thing of they play good rugby. Then once they get to a quarters or whatever, then it's not happening. That's why I said it's so difficult to predict now the teams that you think can be there. He can be Scotland can doing very well, and Scotland can come from the side and they can upset 1 or 2 cards, and suddenly there's a new team into the last 8 or whatever. I just think it can be a very interesting World Cup in a way of a lot of teams will have old players and they will have a mix of young players as well. And if teams can find that balance between the experienced players and the mix of the younger players, and obviously injuries and those stuff, and you need to have depth in World Cup rugby, which is Springboks and New Zealand and us. And I think England in a way have a lot of depth because of a bigger pool of players.